Hi, this short video is going to take you through viewing a Panopto recording via a PC or Mac. You'll access a recording via Blackboard via one of your modules, and you will see a little icon with a play button on, and next to this will be a link. This may be a dated link from the date that your lecture was made, or possibly a title of a recording. If you click on that, the recording will then open in a new tab. Generally, the recording will consist of a video or audio and a PowerPoint slide or screen capture. You have a very basic features. You've got a play and pause button. You're able to adjust the volume controls to increase or reduce the volume or mute it. You then have a button which allows you to rewind the recording by 10 seconds. And you can also skip through the recording by using the bar here. The time of the recording is to the right hand side there. It shows you how long is left, and you can even increase the speed or decrease the speed at which the recording goes through, so you can make it 2 times quicker if you like. You even have a bar which shows you the quality playback. Now this is dependent on your internet speed, so the slower your internet, the less quality may be available. You have a scroll bar which allows you to scroll through the slides that have been used. If there's a PowerPoint, if this is a screencast, for instance, of what's going on the screen, maybe a web tour, you'll still be able to click through at different intervals of that. Clicking on one of the slides allows you to forward to that particular slide and that particular time of the recording. You can then click play and play the recording from there. On the left hand side you can see this contents again in text form, and you're able to click through to a particular slide. Each area has the label from the slide, so you can quickly identify different topics within the recording. You have a section which does allow you to take notes, so depending on which area of the recording you're in, you can click into the box and enter a note into the box. Clicking return on your keyboard will actually directly save that note, and you can create multiple notes throughout the recording, and you'll be able to view these when you come back to the recording at another time. You can even make these notes public if you wish, so I could click a particular area of the recording. I could then click the notes box and enter a note, and then I can click on the make public option, and that will mean that when I click enter, that will be available to other users in the class, and you'll be able to see other users that have made public notes by clicking on the drop down and viewing the user's username. In this instance we only have one user who's created public notes, and that's my user here. You can also join a channel, and a channel is a way of creating a group. So for instance, if you had a group of students who wanted to share notes, you click join channel, enter the group name and click return. That would then create a notes channel where you can then enter notes in, and these notes would be shared by anybody who wanted to join that group. And to join the group, they would click the drop down, click join channel, and they would enter group 1, and that would directly give anyone else with that group name access to those notes. We also have the feature to create bookmarks. So if there's a particular part in the recording that you wanted to create a bookmark to, you could enter the bookmark title in here and click return, and you'll see that time codes the bookmark exactly to where it's been placed in the recording. And you can create multiple bookmarks if you wish, and these will allow you to have a save page where you can come back in the future to access these particular parts of the recording, perhaps for uses of revision. You can then click the link to see all your bookmarks, and that will open in a new tab, and it will show to you all the recordings that are available to you and that you have created bookmarks in. So you can see here I have a few different recordings whereby I have got a few bookmarks created to them. Clicking these links will take me directly to that part of the recording and will start the recording playing from that point forward.